Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today I wanted to share this little tutorial. I recently got some new pants and I wanted to add some candy to them. So these are actually, well, these are new, but we used to wear these back in the 90s and early 2000s. I actually still wear mine and I just wanted to get some new ones. But these pants come with these streamers inside the pocket. And what I wanted to do was make a couple of different options of candy streamers to go with these. Okay, so here's the pocket and the streamers are pulled out. If you go to the side here, well, let me get my hand in there. There's this little, where is it? There it is. There's this little hole and you can pull the streamers through. So what you do is you'll take the ends and then pull them through that little slit. I already did it on this pair here. And then what you're going to need, like I said, I'm going to do two different styles. So I'm going to do one with pony beads. And then I have these charms over here. I'm going to use a mix of these and these. And what I have are, for the pony bead ones, you're going to need 2 pieces of string folded over the length of the streamer. So I have two of those here, and then I have safety pins for both of those. And then for the charm one, I have 2 small pieces of string and 2 safety pins. Okay guys, I have my charms set out, so I'm just going to start putting these together. So I'm just going back and forth. Whoops, I missed the red. Okay, so this is my pattern. I'm going to repeat that and then I'll show you the next step. Okay guys, I have these all linked together, and what I did was I put a pony bead in between this little space here. That way the rings won't come off. Like that. And then with a small piece of string, I'm gonna tie this on the star. Trying to get it in the middle. I'm going to tie it twice, and then I'm going to take a clear pony bead and put both strings through. And then I'm going to take a safety pin and have the string go through one side and tie this twice, or maybe 3 times. And then cut that off. And I just use a lighter on there so the ends don't fray. I know a lot of people ask, what's the lighter for? You don't have to use the lighter. Okay, so there's one. And I already did the second one. So this is what it's going to look like. I will put it on and show you guys. I just thought this would be so cool on these pants. And I'm like, why didn't I think of this 20 years ago? But you know what? The idea is here and I can wear it and share it with you guys. Alright, well let's start the next pair. Okay, and for the pony bead one, we're going to take that long piece of string that measures the same length of the streamer, and you're going to put it on the safety pin. We're going to take both ends together and make a knot to tie this on. And you try to get those as even as you can. And make another knot. Now I'm going to take both strings together and put on one clear. And then we're going to work with one piece at a time. And I'm going to do the rainbow pattern with one clear in between each one. Okay, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to repeat this until I get to the length of the streamer, and then I'll tie it off. I'll show you how to do that when I get to that point. And then we're going to repeat the same thing with this other piece of string. Okay guys, when you get to the end, you're just going to pull the string a little bit tight and then tie the last bead on. And you're going to want to do that a few times. And then you can cut this off. I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so here's one pair. And here's the other pair. Now, if you wanted to, you could do just one strand, but I thought it would look kind of cool with two. And to attach these, if you remember in the beginning, I showed you that little hole. You can just slide your safety pin in there, and then you'll attach it to the streamers from the inside. I'm going to do that off camera and then show you guys what both of these look like. But it's pretty cool to have this on a safety pin, because if you get more colors or patterns, which I have quite a few pairs of these pants, so I'll be able to attach these to any color that I want. But yeah, I'll show you guys what this looks like. Okay guys, I have the pants on, and this is what the streamers look like with the charms. And these are just fun because when you're, whoops, I need to move, not the camera. When you move, like dancing or walking, they'll swing around, which is pretty cool. And then I'll show you the other side. I'm trying to decide which one I like better. The beads. I think I like the charms better. If you do end up getting any of these pants, I would size up, because you want them to be baggy. And they have a string so you can tighten the waist. So if you lose or gain any weight, they'll still fit. Because I know a lot of people, they'll get like their normal size and then a little later won't be able to fit them. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I'll see you next time.